It's springtime in Iowa, which means tree and shrub plantings across the state. Hi, I'm Jeff Jensen, Program Manager and Field Coordinator with Trees Forever. I'm a huge fan of agroforestry. What is agroforestry? Thanks for asking. Agroforestry is the marriage between agriculture and forestry. One of the rules of thumb for successful agroforestry practices and crops is right plant, right place. The idea that not all specialty crops can be grown in all locations on the landscape. Site-specific characteristics, primarily soil type, quality, and drainage, will often determine what types of trees and shrubs can be planted successfully. Here's how you can determine if a particular agroforestry crop is suited for your specific piece of ground. You will need to know the soil types for the area that you want to plant into, and you will need a reference document called the Iowa Woodland Suitability Guide, found on the internet with a quick search for Iowa Woodland Suitability Guide 2014. To determine the soil type on your farm, we will use another tool called the Web Soil Survey. Simply search the internet for Web Soil Survey, and you will find the web page with the green button to start. You can use the Web Soil Survey from the comfort of your own living room to zoom into the area you want to explore. Then simply highlight the area of interest that corresponds to your field or area. View the soils map, which will reveal all the soil types in your area of interest. And you can download the report for your records. And now you know the soil types of the field being investigated. Once we know the soil types in our area of interest, we can cross-reference the soil type using the Woodland Suitability Guide, which will give us a Conservation Suitability Group, or CSG number, for each soil type. The CSG corresponds to recommended hardwoods, conifers, and shrubs that are suited for that particular CSG and the soils that comprise it. Using these two tools, the USDA Web Soil Survey to figure out the soil types of the area you want to plant into, and the Iowa DNR Woodland Suitability Guide to determine what trees and shrubs are best suited to the soils you have. A grower can approximate if the trees or shrubs will do well in those areas being planned for establishment.